All right, hey there, friends. Today I want to show you a really quick formula that will allow you to count down the number of days to an event and have that cell, have that cell auto update based off of the date of the event. Now, let me just show you really quickly how I'm using this. Basically, I am working in Google Data Studio, and I'm creating dashboards for the staff and with multiple events in here. And I want them to see the date, like this one's the next staff gathering. There's the actual date, but then I also want them to see the number of days as a countdown that they have until the actual event happens. So to do this, I have to have obviously these cells populate. You can see I'm actually pulling on Google Data Studio, I'm pulling these exact entries on the cells. So what I need to do, though, in order to get this format is I created this small little spreadsheet, and I can obviously fill in multiple events as I go down and add more. So I need a column, obviously, for the date of the event, and I just manually inputted this into here, into this column. And then what I did is I created another column with the countdown number of days until the event. And basically, here's the formula. So as you can see, it's going to equal D2, which again is this cell. So that's the date of the event. So it equals D2 minus, and then this is the formula today, and then parentheses. And again, all that's going to do is it's going to take the number of days. So it's basically saying whatever today's date is, and we want to subtract it from the date of the event and display that as a number. And then obviously what I do in this cell is I take an if statement and I throw that in there. Basically, if it's equals to 0, then I want it to display as today. If it equals 1, I want it to display as tomorrow. And then I want the cell to add the days as an identifier with a little space right there. So that's how it displays. So again, the formula, if you're looking to get the countdown, is again equals the cell where the event is being hosted minus today and then some parentheses. And again, you can kind of come up with something that looks like this in Google Data Studio. All right, I hope that helps, friends. If it has, please hit that thumbs up button. That really, really helps us make more videos like this. Hit that subscribe button. We got a lot more Google Sheets tutorials coming up soon. All right, friends, take care.